Tell Obi he should not come to Edo without telling me. The man will say no gashishi. I am sending a direct message to him. There is a new sheriff in town. He cannot come to Edo without telling me, because his security will never be guaranteed. Whatever happens to him when he's in Edo State, he will take it. I am serious about it. He came the other day and donated 15 million. Somebody will say, no, Gashishi, why you get 15 million to donate to people? By the time he left, there was crisis. 3 people died in Benin. So for that reason, tell Obi he should not come to Edo without telling me.
First of all, on behalf of the great people of Edo State, I would like to apologize. I beg, we are not like that in Edo. I beg. Nigerians, please. Now for dear Obi getting highest votes for the last election, I beg, when I not let this governor is now our representative talking on our behalf. They are doing their politics. Please, this looks like a threat to tell Peter Obi that if you come to Edo State, anything will happen to you, you go use your head carry out. At the end of the day, I don't think people really voted you from the look of things. I don't think it looks like something where INEC just carry give you. So you have to actually work for your paymasters. Let me quote him. He said he's sending a direct message to Peter Obi that his security will never be guaranteed when it comes to Edo State. He went further to say whatever happens to Obi when he's in Edo State, he will take it. And the governor said he's serious about it. This looks like a threat to tell Peter Obi that if you come to Edo State, anything will happen to you, you go use your head carry out. Definitely something might happen to him when it comes to Edo State. The governor is obviously preaching hate, and we are not like that in Edo State. So on behalf of the great people of Edo, please, Nigerians, we are begging you that we are very, very, very sorry. This thing is a pattern. You understand? It's a pattern. What they are doing now is the states that Peter Obi won during the presidential election, they are turning their governors to start attacking Peter Obi deliberately. First, it was the governor of Benue State. It's either Obi won the state or he was close to winning the state. So they will definitely expect more to come. Now, this one in Edo State, as you can see here, you have Labour Party 331,000, and you know Obi campaigned under Labour Party. Now, if you go to Benue State, because the governor of Benue also did something similar, you can see LP 308, just a close margin of barely 2,000 people. So what they are doing now, any state that showed Obi's support, love and strength, they will actually turn their governors against them or try to scare the people just in case they present Obi as the presidential candidate for the new ADC. All those people want to see for there where they make noise. Now paid actors, all those ones are paid actors. Now let me now send a message to the governor. You are talking about say Peter Obi donate 15 million. According to you, then after he left, 3 people buy. Go and see what is happening in Okpebholo there. Peter Obi no donates for there. What are you doing about the people where they kidnap? What are you doing about the people where they buy for there? Recently, Army and the people of Oge, they get problem. They expected you to intervene. You didn't say anything about it. You didn't say anything about it. You went to go and show one road. Say, Obaseki not do the road. You enter inside the portable. I go see that same road again. You never still do one. 2027 is still in front. When I don't start from 2025, the campaign.